Give me a few seconds, please. Yes, it is live now. Amita ma'am, please
Yes.
start our
One
introduction,
second.
please.
Just a minute. Okay.
Share the screen, please.
Yes. So, hello friends. Welcome to our webinar for IDRAG Business School. And this IDRAG Business School is at France. And we will like to give you very good insights about this webinar and this college. So as we know, as you all know, we are the education consultant. We are situated at Vashi and we have been established since 5 years. And we would like to give you all the proper details and insights about this business school. So Mr. Charudatta Bontakar will be addressing you for this. And our today's meeting agenda will be this. Okay. Our today's meeting agenda will be why France and why IDRAG, why we are talking about IDRAG, and about IDRAG, Mr. Charudatta will address you. There are popular courses which are MBA programs also and very famous for hospitality and wine industry management, as well as for luxury brand and design, fashion management courses. What are the admission requirements? And this is a very unique course, so it will be really interesting to know about this, and especially during the COVID-19 time. You can really have the facility and convenience of being at your homeland or home country, and you can start your international course, and the next year you can go ahead, which Mr. Charudatta will definitely explain in detail. So there will be tuition fees and other expenses details, the USPs of IDRAC, and then followed by question answers, which will be addressed by the whole team. So over to Mr. Charudatta, who will be explaining us about, okay, we can also say about all these things later after the session is over, about our services and about our IELTS and all this. But currently, let us start about IDRAC, and I hand it over to Mr. Charudatta. So Mr. Charudatta, please welcome. He is our official representative for IDRAC Business School, and let us welcome him. Thank you, Mr. Charudatta.
Thank you, Amita ma'am. Good morning to everyone. And first of all, I would like to really thank AM Study Abroad for giving us an opportunity to be interacting with wonderful students here this morning. I'm going to information and brief courses and USPs and everything. And post my session or discourse, I would be happy to answer your questions. So during my discourse, while I'm speaking, if you have any questions, you can write in the chat window so that we will note those questions and we'll take up those questions at the end. I hope I'm audible, madam.
Yes, very much.
I'm audible,
very
no?
much. Very much.
Very
Please
clear,
go
very
ahead.
clear.
Good. So now I'll start. I'll share my screen. I'll share the presentation, and again I'm saying, students, if you have any questions, just type on the chat window so that the question will reach to us. And once my session discourse is over, we will definitely answer most of the questions, rather all the questions. Just give me a moment. I'll just share my screen. Okay, so now it is. The screen is visible now?
Very much. Yes.
Great, great. So about IDRAC Business School, IDRAC is a French business school So it is founded in 1965. So it is pretty old college based in France, and we have various campuses in France. We have 10 campuses in 9 cities of France. So in Paris, we have 2 campuses, and the rest, all the cities, we have 1 campus each. So 10 campuses in France and over 6 campuses outside France. So we have 16 campuses, and it's a very old school. And another good part about the French part or the French education is in France, if you wanted to apply for visa or apply for any college, English is not a very important thing. Means, of course, you should know English. It's an international language, but IELTS per se is not required if your medium of education is English. And during interview, if you are talking satisfactorily, if you are, give the confidence to the interviewer that whatever been taught in English, you will able to understand, and you will able to write your questions, your exams. So they will not ask you. We will not ask you for IELTS. Going ahead, I think okay. IDRAC is a part of HEP education. I think in the interest of time, I will not go into detail. HEP is a huge group in France. It has 35 schools like IDRAC. So IDRAC is one school. So they have 35 such schools and hundreds of campuses across France. So IDRAC is a part of such a huge group, and all the students get the benefit while placement, while internships, while so many other things. They get advantage of the HEP education group. So as I told you, HEP has 35 different colleges with 24,000 students each year joining them, hundreds of campus, 10,000 plus partner companies. Those who are partner with HEP group are 10,000 plus companies. Just imagine 10,000 plus companies for 24,000 students. Means for every 2.5 students, we have a company to place them. We have over 1,100,000 alumni all across the globe, including Europe, France, and other Western cities. Now, let me also talk about France, because many of the students are not aware of France much in detail, like they know about US and other English countries. Uh, France is a third most preferred study abroad destination. It means that students from other countries, they go. France is a very popular study destination for other European and Western countries. Now, for example, student from Canada, student from Australia, student from UK, student from America, student from China, Korea, they all go to France to study. The reason is for various domains like hospitality, wine, tourism, engineering. So for various domains, France is an expert destination. It's very popular destination. So more than roughly around 3 lakh students, 300,000 students every year go to France for higher education. And as I told you, there are other benefits also, particularly for Indian students. Any Indian student who goes to France for doing his master's program, they get 2 years of post-study uh, job search visa. It means after completion of your master's degree from France, you can stay there in France and all across Europe. You can move all across the Europe because you have a Schengen visa for 2 years, maximum up to 2 years. You can search the job. Most of the students, if you talk about IDRAC, around 90% of our students finds a permanent job within 6 months of their graduation. But uh, France is a welcoming country, and they have given 2 years for Indian students. So for other international students, it's 1 year stayback option. But for Indian student, India and France are very closely cooperating with each other in various sectors. Because of that, France has given us a special status wherein Indians can stay 1 year extra in France in case they won't get a job in first year after their completion of the graduation. Then all the IDRAC program offered European accredited degrees. It means though the degrees are given by French college or French institution, it is accepted all across the world because it is part of RNCP. Like we have AICT or UGC in India. Similarly, France they have CNCP and RNCP. So it is RNCP level 1 degree. So it is acceptable all across Europe and all across the world. Even now, we have an MOU with France government where Indian degrees are now recognized in France, and many of the French degrees are now recognized in India. So, in a nutshell, what I want to tell you is that the degrees that our students received are well accepted, accredited everywhere in the world. Then another benefit of going to France is most of the Indian students know 2, 3 languages. Students from South, they know their mother tongue, one language, mother tongue language, like Malayalam, Telugu, or in Maharashtra, most of the students know Marathi. They know Hindi also, and they know English also. Already you know 3 languages. But when you go to France and you stay for a fair bit of time, naturally you learn French also. So when you learn French, so you know English and you know French, it means that your reach as an individual, as a business person, increases, to large extent. Many of you may not be knowing that in 80 countries, 80 countries in the world, French is spoken as a first language or second language. Many of the African countries, Latin American countries, everywhere, even in Canada, Quebec side, and all those places where French is very popular and common language. So that is an additional benefit that you have. So to summarize this slide, France is very popular in the world. Students from Australia, New Zealand, America, all across the world, they go to France to study. You get 2 years job search visa post your completion of the masters. And since France economy is one of the largest economy in the world, unlike so few of the English countries like New Zealand or Australia, where the economy is dependent on only few sectors like agriculture, tourism, French economy is, spread very nicely. They are experts in, defense also, hospitality also, tourism also. So many things are there. So French economy is widespread. So you have very high chances of getting good job after completion of your masters. And last point is, it is a global leader in luxury, wine, hospitality, and tourism industries. Also nowadays, Paris and France is coming up as a destination for innovation hub for new businesses, particularly in IT sector. So these sectors will have an added advantage if you go and complete your masters from France. Another good part of France is it is very highly connected with other European countries. Countries like Belgium, Luxembourg, Italy, Spain, England, Germany, Switzerland. These all countries are neighboring countries. Our students, those who are there, they go on a weekend basis. Even in the morning, they go to Switzerland and come back by the evening. It is such a close, it is nicely connected, and you have uh, bullet trains in France with our huge distances in a very fast time. So why this point is relevant to the student, that when students are studying simultaneously, if they wanted to search for job, if they wanted to search for internship, if they wanted to move around for exhibitions, seminars, for any purpose, it is very easy. Staying in New Zealand and Australia, you cannot easily move in such a European countries so swiftly. But being in France, you can very easily, right from Poland to Norway to Sweden, everywhere you can go by air, by train, by various means very swiftly. So that gives you an additional advantage. Plus, the French transportation system is very efficient and very, very economical. It may be a metro system or a system a rail system which takes you to different cities or different countries. So that's an additional advantage, you know, uh, of going in France. So now you can see some of our campuses. This is Paris campus. We have Grenoble, Nantes. This is Pune, India campus, Toulouse, Amis, all these campuses. This is just a picture. You can of course see more details of our campus on our YouTube pages or YouTube channels. So now coming back to the advantages of IDRAC, as I told you, all our master's program are 120 European credit transfer system credits. Now, what is ECTS? ECTS is European Credit Transfer System, because in Europe there are around 30 countries and every country has a different way of teaching. So to standardize that, they have uh, created a credit system. So if you have few credit earned in France, so those same credit you can use in Germany also, or vice versa. If you have few credits in Switzerland, you can use those credits in France or UK also. So our master's program are 120 credit program. Now there are so many schools in India, they offer you 1 year masters with only 60 credits. If your masters in France, you have two types of masters: 120 credit 2 years masters, or 60 credit 1 year masters, or sometimes they have 90 credit 16 months or 18-month masters. But the full master is 2 years master with 90 hours of classroom teaching and 120 credits. So all our programs, whatever program that IDRAC is providing to you or offering to you, are full masters. And for post-study visa, for 2 years post-study visa, it is advised that you should have full masters, not a partial master or M1 level master. You should always have back+5, M2 or full masters. IDRAC also gives you an additional edge of, we have 600 plus international faculties. It means when you go to France in IDRAC campus, it is very likely that the faculty which is teaching to you is from America or from UK or from Germany also. Because IDRAC is an international school with a lot of international students coming in. So naturally, one of our USPs is we have so many international faculties, so that though you are going to France, you are getting flair of so many countries. Again, I would like to repeat that all the programs that we are going to teach in India or in France are in English only. Though we recommend you or we insist you to learn French, but it is not mandatory for education purpose. All the exams, all the teaching assignments would be covered in English only. Now coming back to IDRAC India campus, this is our lovely green campus in Pune, in the heart of Pune city, on the Ferguson College Road. Those who know Pune must aware of that. Ferguson College Road is the main city center place, very happening student place. There we have this wonderful campus, and we offer these programs which are there on your screen. We have MBA in International Luxury Business Management, wherein we talk about luxury and international luxury. It's a master's in luxury. Then we have we are pioneer in India of offering this program, MBA in Wine Industry Management, where we are talking about what is wine business, how it is different from liquor or other businesses, and how you can excel in the area of wine business. Then we also have MBA in International Business Management. Those students who are looking for an international career, they just wanted to do MBA, but they wanted to go, settle or stay abroad for longer time or work with MNCs. They can join this international MBA in International Business. And then, as I told you, France and Paris, this part is becoming very important for startups, for IT, for digital marketing, for project management. This kind of stuff, careers are growing. So we have also have MBA in Computer Science and Information Systems. So these are 4 programs. We will talk about this 4 program in detail. First, please understand the unique model that we have brought for you. In this unique model, what we are doing is first 4 to 6 months, we are conducting the classes in India, in Pune campus. And what we are doing in Pune, we are teaching you teaching 60 credit curriculum. That is the first year curriculum of your MBA. Will be covered in around 4 to 6 months on a fast track basis. 60 credit, 1 year curriculum covered in 4 to 5 months in Pune. Along with that, we have partnered with Alliance Francaise. Now, Alliance Francaise is a French school promoted by France only, and it's the world's one of the most preferred French schools when it comes to learning French language. So we have partnered with Alliance Francaise, and they come to our campus, and you don't have to go anywhere. They come to our campus. Their faculty do come to our campus, and they teach you French language. So what we are doing in India, in mid of June, we'll be starting, or maybe by because of the COVID, it will be slightly delayed. By end of the June, we will start our courses in Pune, and in October, students will go to France. Between June to October, you will study 60 credit curriculum plus French language. So in October, student will go to France, and there they will be doing a 1 year curriculum in France, French campus. Again, they will have the 60 credits in France, and also they will do the internships. Now, internships are very integral part of any French qualification. It may be an undergraduate qualification or postgraduate qualification. So internships are taken very seriously, and most of the companies do have spare positions for interns. And in France, all the internships are paid internships. The minimum wage or the money that you receive as an intern, it starts from around 600 euros per month and goes up to 1000 or 1200 euros per month. It depends on your previous experience before joining this program. If you are experienced, you are likely to get more stipend. If you are a fresher, company may give you a lesser, but not less than 600, because that is the minimum wage fixed by the government of France. So all internships are paid internships. And another good thing is that the company cannot ask you to work more than 35 hours a week. So if you are working for 5 days, it's just 7 hours a day. So rest of the time in the evening or Saturday, Sunday, weekends, you are free. You can also work part-time. So student, while studying the course, they after the second semester in France, they will do internships. And along with the internship income, if you want, if you need, you can also work 20 hours per week as a part-time, and you can increase your income. So this is the structure. Starts in July in Pune. Complete your first year in 1 year, 4 months, 4-5 months, and then go to France to complete second year month. So again, the same thing I am explaining with the help of this slide. So you can see in the second blue octagonal, you see back plus 4 level you are completing in India, and going to France to complete back plus 5 or M2 level, and you are also doing internship there. And after internship, you will submit your project. Post submission of your projects and your examination, you will be receiving, successfully passing the exam, you will be receiving 120 credits, ECTS credits, and a master's degree, which is recognized by government of France. Now, many of the students may be thinking that it's a good, France is a good country, your courses are good, but why do I go to Pune? Why can't I go directly to France? I am already from India, so I wanted to see new country. Why should I, travel to Pune and stay there for a few months? Well, guys, there are lots of advantages, but we will talk about 3 very important advantages, and we call it 3C advantage. So first advantage is cost advantage. When you go through Pune campus, when you study for Pune for 4-5 months and go there, so your entire investment that you have to put in for abroad education goes down by around 40%. So the in general cost of studying in France, if you go directly, it would be around 46,000 euros, but more than 46,000 euros. But if you go through IDRAC India Center, your entire cost would be less than 28,000 euros. Means you will be saving around 15 lakh rupees. So that's a substantial saving. So first advantage of completing your M1 level in Pune and going for M2 level is cost. The second advantage is career advantage, because when you complete your course in Pune for 4-5 months, what happens is the French faculty come here and they teach you. There are so many French companies are in India. Their executives, they come in our campus and teach you. They guide you about everything, how you should go for internships, how you should approach for part-time jobs, how you
I think so. Mr. Charudatta's net has gone down. Rohit? Rohit? Hello, everybody.
Mr. Rajesh, you'll have to unmute him. You'll have to unmute Rohit.
He can unmute, no problem. Okay, I have unmuted, but still. Rohit? Mr. Charudatta? We are not able to hear you. Ketki?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just inform Mr. Charuna. We cannot
Yes,
hear.
sir. Informed, sir. Informed.
Something is wrong. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So friends,
Mr. Rajesh,
sorry, sorry for the inconvenience.
But
sorry.
we should be really thankful, because India is having so many Zoom meetings. I mean, during last 2 months, I think the whole India is on Zoom meetings, webinars, and online. There are so many internet usage, and I don't think we find very big, issues.
Very big issues.
Hello?
Yeah.
We are having a very strong internet
Hello?
in India.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yes.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yeah.
Rohit, tell me.
Yes, Rohit.
Yeah.
We're just
please
facing some internet issue for a moment.
Yeah.
No
Yes.
problem.
Join just in a moment or so.
No problem.
Yeah,
No
yeah,
problem.
no problem.
Actually, we are very thankful. I mean, India is also going ahead in this direction. I mean, a lot of internet problems have been solved, because previously India was having very lesser speed of internet bandwidth and all the things, all the small problems. Now, really, it is competitive against all the countries. Because I've traveled in so many places, but really India has done a very nice thing in this
So
part.
we have got a very strong internet system, especially during last 2 months, when almost many of the professionals are depending on internet. They're working from home, and we have not come across any major issues. These are
Right.
all the small technical lags, which will definitely, we have to take it in stride. But then overall, we are really thankful for the internet system and strength in India. So let us wait for Mr. Charudatta to join just within a minute, I guess. Please bear with us. Please bear with this.
Till that time, Amita ma'am, till that time, I think so better you finish our introduction part, small introduction part, very brief. I mean, so that the people are not off the topic. If he's, I mean, if
let him. I'll just do one thing. Let me just take over from where he has left, so I can tell that you can take him, later on. So I think this is.
Meanwhile, Galaxy J7, please write your name on the chat box, please.
So I think Mr. Charudatta is back. Okay, Mr. Charu, can you hear me? Hello, Mr. Charudatta, can you hear me? 1 minute. Can you unmute yourself? Can you please unmute?
Yeah, he is there.
So I had I'm sorry, I had just shared the screen from where you could, where you finished. or you were on the screen. Now you can share your screen. I'm stopping from here. You can share from
Okay.
your end, Mr. Charudatta.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Host disabled attendance screen sharing is coming.
I think so. No, you can. Just a moment. Yeah. I think so. I will have to make you.
Yeah, please enable it again.
Yeah. Sure. Done.
Okay. Just a minute, huh?
Can you?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. No problem.
Screen sharing stop. Okay. Go ahead. दिसत का नाही screen sharing. हे आहे माझं already. ही screen आहे ना? The screen is open here, but here it is not showing.
Shall I keep my screen open, Mr. Charudatta?
Yeah, you can do that. You can change whenever I'll just request you.
So I think that will be better. So please go
It
ahead.
is most of the. Yeah. You can share so that I can also see.
Yep.
Yeah,
So
just
can you
make
see?
it. Make it the. Yes, I can see now.
I'll make it slideshow view. Just a minute, please.
Yeah.
Just one. I'm sorry. I have to make it a slideshow view.
Can you?
Yeah. Correct? Can you see?
Yes. So go to the advantage side. Fine. Yes. So I was talking about the cost advantage I have covered. As I told you, you will save 40% of the cost if you go compare with the studying directly to France. If you go there for 2 years and complete your entire 2 years degree from France, vis-a-vis if you compare with India model, you save around 15 lakh rupees. So that's the first advantage which I shared. And the second advantage, can you go to the next slide, please? The second advantage, I was talking about the career advantage, where your career is more swift and fast because there are so many. Go to the next slide. More next. Go to the career advantage side, please.
Yeah, this is a career advantage slide.
Yeah. So I was talking about, since there are you meet the French faculties right here in India. So when you will go to France, what is the ways to find internship? What is the ways of find part-time job? What are the general rules, regulations, how things work there? So everything in first 4 months. You meet French faculties, you meet French professionals who are already in India in French companies. You meet people from French institutions like French Embassy, Alliance Française, Campus France. these people also do come to campus and they guide you everything about career, jobs, what to do, what not to do. So what happens is,
Again, the voice is gone.
Again, yeah, Mr. Charu, Rohit.
Can Rohit take over? I can't hear Rohit's voice.
Rohit or Ketki, please communicate.
So basically, let me start, Mr. Rajesh. I would be,
better.
That will be much better. So when they are saying about career advantage, friends, so they say that.
Yeah, he is back.
You know everything.
Sorry?
Rohit, Ketki?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please coordinate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are doing. Actually, there is an internet issue, so just
you have to unmute. You have to, Rajesh sir. You have to unmute Charudatta sir.
Again, okay.
Hello.
He is there. He is there now.
Yes. So
yeah.
Carry
on.
You are very confident about things. You move fast in career. It may be an internship, it may be a part-time job, and it may be a full-time job, permanent job. So these are the career advantages which you can get, you can avail if you go through, first 4 months in India. Can you go to the next slide?
Comfort advantage.
The last is the comfort advantage. Your journey in the new country, in the new environment is very swift and smooth with the India Center support. What happens? You are not going alone to France, where language is new, people is new, climate is new, food is new, legal system is different, transportation is different. You are into a different world. But you are not alone. With the IDRAC India Center, what happens? The entire batch goes along with you. There are 15, 20 students who are going along with you. And those students are again your friends. You have studied with them, you have stayed with them for few months. So you know each and everyone. So there is a support structure of students coming along with you. That's the first comfort. And then other thing is that regarding accommodation, like in India, you are used to live a certain lifestyle where your parents or people from your family, they help you in so many things. I'm sure many of the students forgot this lockdown issue, but in general, you are not cooked your breakfast or food in your entire life on a daily basis. You are not clean your rooms and your desks on a daily basis. But in France, there are no servant culture. You have no helper or no maids or assistants. You have to do everything on your own. You will have to cook probably your own food. So when you are going in a group, you distribute your work also. You know who's going to do what thing. So this is another benefit. Then there are so many French schemes are there, like CAF, like you get some money back, some part of your residential rent, you get back from government of France. So there are so many schemes. So you know what the documents are required, which office to be, visit, what kind of information you need to furnish. So many things you know well in advance. That gives you huge comfort. Regarding visa also, the highest authority, the most authentic authority, that is Campus France, they come to your campus, they guide you about visa interview. Everything is happens in the campus by most authentic people in the French fraternity. So these many issues like, your budgeting, for your insurance, everything, your bank account opening, how to get a credit card, small thing, what kind of document you need to sign for accommodation, every little small thing you know in advance. So your hiccups, the troubles are very minimal when you go with this support of IDRAC India Center by spending 4 or 5 months in IDRAC India Center, which is virtually a little France. So these are the 3 important advantages which you should consider when you go through go through ISRAC India Center to complete. First, you save a hell lot of money. You save 1 year also. You graduate 1 year early. Now, those students who will go
Perfect.
directly will join in September for first year, but our student will join in October for second year. So you are directly joining into second year in 2020 itself. So you save 1 year, you save 15 lakh rupees, around 15 lakh rupees. You have career advantage and you have comfort advantage. So these are the more basic advantages of ISRAC India Center. Can you go to the next slide, please?
3C
So this is a video play here.
program overview.
Yes, these are the 4 programs. So let us understand one by one in very short manner.
Mr. Charudatta, can I interrupt, please?
Please, please.
Can we? I think the actual costing slide where we can tell them exactly how they will be costing. Can we just explain them in brief?
Yeah,
So-
I'll explain you. So in general, typically, if you go to France, you know, the masters for a very reputed college, the every year fee for at a master's level is from around 12,000 to 15,000 on an average. So if you take an average of 13,500, so the fee that you will have to pay for 2 years masters is 20,000 euros plus an average living cost of 800 euros per month. So that comes to 9,600 euros per year. So for 2 years, it is 19,200 euros. So 27,000 euros you will have to pay the fees for 2 years plus 19,200 is the living cost that you will have to incur. So total, if you go directly without ISRAC India Center for 2 years, full masters, 120 credit masters, your investment for 2 years comes to 46,200 euros, which would be roughly around 35 lakh or so. But can you go to the next slide? But when you go to from ISRAC India Center, your total expenses, your fees is 17,250 euro plus other living cost in Pune plus living cost in France and everything. If you add together, it is closely to 28,000. Next slide, please. 28,000 euros. So if you deduct this 46,200 minus 28,000, you save around 8,225 euros.
18,000.
Sorry, 18,225 euros, which is roughly 15 lakh rupees. So that's the first advantage, that you save huge amount.
Correct.
So can we go to the program slide?
Yeah, here.
Next.
So
slide.
these are the 4 programs.
Yeah, these are the programs.
And
We'll go one by one.
you can explain one after the other.
Yeah. So first is the wine business management, MBA in wine business management. Wine business management is a huge business. Friends, in India, people don't know what is wine. Wine is a part of lifestyle, and this 300 billion global wine industry. Now, many people don't understand what is 300. It comes to 21 lakh. This volume of wine business. So this is the huge business, and there are very less Indian students go and learn wine. So there is very less competition from Indian students. If you go to other sectors like engineering and IT, you will find a lot of Indians competing you. But in wine, there are hardly any Indian students competing you. So you can, by doing this masters in wine business management, you can part of huge wine business, and wine business is very spread across business. It is wine tourism also, wine training also, wine consultancy also, so many things. Next slide, please. And another thing is the program wine being conducted in Bordeaux. So it's capital of the world. It has so many in all other regions where the Bordeaux wine is famous. There are hundreds of wineries across the Bordeaux. So you learn not only in France but in Bordeaux, and that is the capital of wine in the world. and the careers that are available to you after product like your brand and label manager. You can go into wine tourism, hospitality. You can go into cuisine, restaurant, fine dining. You can join as a wine specialist. You can join as a preparing, wine tourism manager, wine tester. There's so many careers available related to wine. Then student with a commerce background and other trade background, maybe international business background, they can join PPT. You can related to wine exports and international trade. Plus wine estate manager, the place where wine is uh, brewed or fermented is chateau means French. Chateau manager, vineyard resort manager, wine publication, media. So my point is, wine, though it's a single product, it will open doors to many careers for you. Once you go complete this program, you will come across so many sectors which are available related to wine, and you can shape your career in any of these sectors. Next slide, please.
Luxury business management.
Now, luxury again is an even bigger business. It's a 1.2 trillion global industry. So, luxury is every luxury is not a particular in particular segment. Luxury, you have luxury cars, you have luxury apparel like Armani, Gucci. Then you have luxury resorts, hotels. You have luxury cruise liners. You have luxury jewelry, luxury writing instruments like watches. So the luxury is not restricted to any one sector. It's across sectors. And we in Indian, we are not knowing what is luxury. We misunderstood luxury premium products. Premium products are different and are different. There is a huge difference. It's not a, I don't have, it's very interesting for all of you to understand and differentiate what is difference between a premium product and luxury product. So being an Indian, very few people understand luxury. So this program opens gates for you in the luxury world. Again, it would be in any sector. It may be wines also, it may be hospitality also, it may be automobiles also, it may be jewelry, apparel, perfume. Hundreds of sectors are there where you can shape career in luxury. And they have written what is luxury. The Bible is written by French media, event, so many jewelry, apparel, accessories, cosmetics, all those things are there in front of you in slides. So after doing this program, students can have careers in these sectors. So those students who have a flair of those who are good in presentation, communication, and they have designing in background, those students definitely can go and join. Next, please.
Into technology.
Then as I told you earlier also, computer related technology, it may be a digital marketing technology, it may be project management, it may be a big data, it may be ERP, it may be programming languages. These are the very upcoming areas in France, and there are a lot of shortage of very skilled people from IT domain. And the good point is are pursued as in IT area. Indian US also, you will find Indians are regarded very high in IT. So they prefer an Indian guy over other people while recruiting in IT jobs. So, and Paris being the Europe's, it's like an many of you may not be capital of minutes, 50 minutes from France, Paris, but the business capital for Europe is Paris. And there you have the IT students and IB students, international business students, have huge advantage of getting and shaping their careers. So this I have already explained. These are the areas where, and these are the special available in our program as well. Next, please.
International business management.
Now, international business management, basically, the advantage of going to France and doing international business management in France is that now after Brexit, the epicenter of European business has shifted to Paris. Earlier, it was divided between London, Paris, and Frankfurt. Now, what has happened with London or UK going away from Europe? All the companies have their, most of the companies have their headquarters now operating out of Paris. And this international business management program is delivered in Paris itself. So you can do internship in Paris, and you can, you can have access to all the major companies because they have their huge offices and headquarters in Paris. Another good advantage of doing, international business management from France and Paris is that French has a very huge influence in various community, various countries. Like India was in British colony once upon a time, but we have very little British business influence. We have British culture influence. I am wearing t-shirts, madam is wearing jacket. These are all English culture. But we don't have British banks in India. We don't have too many British companies still working in India. But what France has done is they have left their colonies, but their companies like BNP banks and so many banks are still operating in those countries. So students doing international business has huge potential in career in so many countries across the world because they are doing in France. Can you go to the next slide? So now these are the 4 courses. As I told you, wine business management, students who have done biotechnology, food science, chemistry, agriculture, they can join in hospitality, tourism, they can join for wine program. For luxury program, students with BBA, mass media, design, tourism, they can join program. Students with some IT knowledge, BSc IT or BSc computers, BTech computers, those students with a computer knowledge, or those who have done some good computer courses from a reputed private institution, they can join the IT program. And international business program is open for everyone, for all graduates, but students with commerce, foreign trade are more preferred in international business program. So those who are interested and they wanted to apply, they can always contact AM Study Abroad, Anita ma'am and their team. They will guide you for submitting your application. Through them, we will receive your application. And after receiving your application, we will go through your documents and we will have 2 interviews. One interview will be conducted from India Center, and another interview will be conducted by France. Post these 2 interviews, if you got selected, is in both the interviews, you would be given an offer letter. Once you receive the offer letter, you have to pay the initial registration fees and register yourself. After getting registering and securing the seat, you will get the confirmed admission letter. And with the confirmed admission letter, you can go to banks for loan if you required, or then you can join the program in July and continue your course. So this is the admission process. As I told you, anybody having questions, please write to your chat windows. We will take the questions. These are the photograph of our IDRAC India Center inauguration, and the French Consular General in Mumbai, Her Highness Sonia Babri, she inaugurated the campus, and a lot of French people and dignitaries were present. These are some of the photographs. And since our was the first French campus in India, can you go to the next slide? Our was the first campus in India. A lot of newspapers, media have taken the cognizance, and it was there on so many newspapers, including Times of India, with success stories of our earlier students were there. So this is next slide, please. This is all about IDRAC India Center, our programs and benefits of France. I think we have come to the end of. This is our students guiding and visiting the chatus. Yes, next slide, please.
So yes, I think we have.
Next slide, please.
I think it is all about AIM study abroad now,
Yeah.
Mr.
So
Charu
now
Datta. So
my part is over. Now, whenever I have a questions, I will happy to answer. Over to you, ma'am.
you can please tell them about the accreditations it is having. These all the degrees are having accreditations with the
Yes, yes, I
respective
told you all the
authorities.
degrees are
Yes.
recognized by French ministries and accredited everywhere in the
Yes.
world. Yeah.
Fine. So friends, as you all must have known from Mr. Charu Datta, you must have got the complete information about the various courses and the admission process. And we really thank Mr. Charu Datta for giving such a detailed and such a very great information about all the courses and about the whole know-how, technical know-how and technical uniqueness of this program. So we will like and we will request the students to contact us. These are our services, right from counseling till your final visa grant and visa lodgement. Even pre-departure briefing and onshore assistance, everything will be taking care. For funds and all, we are giving you all the facilities for education loan attached with the various banks. There will be training programs also at our end. So either it is IELTS or PT. Of course, at IDRAC school, you may get the IELTS waiver. But if you want to do IELTS, we are open to the training. And IDRAC will give you the IELTS waiver anyhow.
Ma'am,
So you
I
can
would like
start
to
your...
come in here for a moment on IELTS.
Yes. Yes.
Though IELTS is not a necessary part, but if you could
Okay.
train these students, if they have a good band, at least 5.5 band, it is always beneficial for visa
Yes.
and selection.
Yes. So as Mr. Charu Datta says that, so let us tell you that AIM Study Abroad has come out with one very unique and very outstanding user-friendly software for IELTS training sitting at your home. So it is AMSA Total, and we are having this software which will be very convenient for you anytime, anywhere. From your home comforts, you can just try it, you can practice it. There will be validity of 3 months, and we can assure you that you will definitely get the desired bands, because this software is really very user friendly, and it is having many grammatical components, sectional test, mock test, everything included in it. So you must try this, and the same thing is written for AMSA Total. So what are the requirements of IELTS? I know you can't read it properly, but you can always approach our team and we will be giving you the proper information. We can give you the demo view of this software also. Demo view will be given so that you will know how this software works and how it will be so useful for you. And as you all know, IELTS is actually valid for 2 years after you pass this test. It will be valid for 2 years. So you can start planning for your future career at foreign and world-renowned institutions. And that will really be helpful to you. As I told you, AMSA Total, we are coming out with some launch price. So so there are 2 types of the training packages for IELTS, which will be with live sessions and without live sessions. So the with live sessions, original cost was 9,000, which we are going to give it for 6,000. And without live classes, it is 7,500, which we are introducing you for, especially for COVID time. We are coming out with this pricing, and that is valid up to 15th July. I repeat, these prices are valid up to 15th July, and hence you can go ahead with this. These are all our proud achievers for IELTS PT. So we are into this service also, where we are training, and our students have really scored excellent. As you can see in PT, we can take the privilege of having a student who has scored 90 out of 90 in all modules, and which is very very commendable scores. And all others have scored 80 plus. Even for IELTS, we have got many students who have scored 8.5, and still many students who have scored 8 plus bands, which are very, very, very privileged scores. So these are our services, friends, and you can approach us for all the services for training, loan, anything. This is our contact details. You can approach Ashwati, Bhavya, anybody, and these are the phone numbers. These are our social media links. So friends, you can just take note of it. And here we will also tell you one more thing. In the evening at 4 p.m., we have got the session for BHMS, Switzerland School. And here we can start. So after having said this, so please join us there also. But now we will have to move on to question answers, because I'm sure you might have some doubts and anxieties. Let us clear that. So Rajesh sir, can we have the question answer session started, please?
Yeah. Before that, Ashwati, I would like you to go ahead with the polls so
Yes.
that we can have a
Yeah.
better understanding. This is friends, students. This is the polls which we are conducting after every webinar, so that we have a better understanding. That is why we have so many webinars and Zooms on various subjects now, because of your all feedbacks which we receive on the polls. So
Yeah.
again, it is a small polls voting which is there. Just everybody vote as soon as the polls is on.
The question answer.
Yeah. So it has started. The
Yeah. Question answers will be coming, Mr. Charu. Just a moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, and you can.
yes, we'll just go for 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mr. Charu.
Yeah, tell me.
I'll start with the question answers. Actually, some people are watching FB also. So one of my known persons have messaged me for some information about. He wants to know about the expenses after the 12th standard if he comes, and after the graduate. What are the actual expenses which he has to plan for his child, is a parent?
Okay. So these programs, all 4 programs which we discussed today, are postgraduate programs. So there is no possibility of student joining after 12th class or HSC,
Okay.
right? These are
Yeah.
master's level programs. So graduation is the minimum basic qualification.
Okay.
So
And
now coming to
expenses.
So that's the first part of your question. In the second part, the expenses like for the tuition fees, the student will have to can pay in installments. So around 14 to 15 lakh rupees would be the tuition fees that they can pay in installment in 4-5 months. Okay. Then the living expenses would be around 800 euros if they are going in Paris, or in Bordeaux it will be around 650 euros. So that you can consider for at least for first 4, 5, 6 months student should have with him by the time he gets part-time job or internship. So and all, roughly speaking, in general, a student should be have an preparation of around 18 to 20 lakh rupees
for the
budget
whole course.
for the whole program. Yes.
Whole course. That is of 2 years, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Inclusive of living expenses.
Including living expenses. About the show money and all other things, rather we can talk to the student, or we can give them detail on email so that they can read. But for parents, during this entire duration, they should have a preparation of our budget of around 20 lakh rupees, so that the student can complete their master.
Okay. And now another interesting question is that how good is France compared to the regular destinations like UK, Australia, and New Zealand, where we can get a PR very easily because they have got some skilled PRs available and all that things.
No,
So,
I think there are lots of there is lack of information on this part for many students. See, first thing is that If you are not employed, no country is going to give you PR, right?
Right.
The first thing is that you need to have a career. That is most important than the PR part. Now, coming back to the France, when you go to, for example, when you go to New Zealand, or you go to Australia, or you go to Canada, or you go to UK, you go to one single country and you are dependent for your career on the economy and geopolitics of that one single country. But when you go to France, you have a Schengen visa and you have access to 28 different countries. And out of these 28 countries, most of the countries are either developed countries or highly developing countries. Okay. So your job opportunities are multifoldly increased. So my student can go and search job in Spain, in Italy, in Germany, in Switzerland, in Belgium, in Portugal, anywhere if you want, you can get a job. Now, second thing, France is one of the most welcoming country. In France, if you have permanent job, we call a CDA contract. If you have CDA contracts for 3-4 years, you can very easily apply for 10 years long-term residency. This is like an automatic extension of your stay permit. And there are so many options in France which are available. You can go to the Campus France website or the French Embassy website and study in detail. So I don't think any other country which you have mentioned is as welcoming and as friendly for long-term careers or PR or these kind of things compared to France.
Okay. I'll take up another question. Is language compulsory? And if it is not compulsory, do we have to learn French to get advantage in job?
See, for completing the course, language is not compulsory, because the entire medium of education is English. So you can very well, all the faculties will teach you in English language. Your exams will be conducted in English. So you don't need English to complete the curriculum. However, if you want to take full benefit of French language, which is, as I told you, in 80 countries, French is spoken. And if you wanted to mix in French culture, if you understand their culture, if you wanted to mix in their community, if you want their part-time jobs, then you should know the language. And for that, we are teaching language right from India, as well as all our programs. While you are in France, we are also teaching you French language. For around 1.5 years, we are teaching you French language. Plus, since you are there in a French language, in entire French environment, you can very easily learn French in around 2 years time.
I mean, the language is a part of the course.
Yes,
which you are. Okay.
Of course.
Very nice.
I told you, Alliance Française is our partner, and they teach you French language.
Fantastic. Okay, this answers that question. Again, now one more student. If the student clears the IELTS exam, then does the student need to go with the interview process, or he can move ahead with the admission process on the basis of IELTS course?
No. They will have to go to interview, because English proficiency is just one area which we are going to see in the interview. But there are so many other things, like his academic relevance, how motivated he is, how much research he has done about his course, why he is joining this program. All those things are also very important for us. So we will definitely have an interview irrespective of your IELTS and IELTS course. However, if you have good IELTS course, your chances of selection and chances of visa are extremely high.
Yeah. Amita ma'am, just check your inbox. I mean, your chat box. Maybe by somebody must have addressed you or something.
Yes,
Or
I
Mr.
have-
Charu,
I have
you
got
can
one-
also check, please, because you were a co-host. Yeah.
Yes, I have got one question from one of my parents from Facebook, that are these programs available for undergraduation? Like, are there any programs for undergraduation? And if
Yes,
not, are
there
we
are
going to start
undergraduate
and when?
BBA programs. There are
Okay.
undergraduate programs, BBA programs, which we will be starting in India, like this we are starting in July. So those programs will be starting in September or October. And by
Okay.
mid of July, we will be announcing the details of those programs.
Very good. So it will be BBA for undergraduation. It's really
Yes.
good. Great news. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
So
again,
if
for
the,
BBA, it will be a 3-year course and all that things, or
three,
the
3 years,
details will
1
be.
year in India and 2 years in France.
Oh, same. So
Excellent.
yeah, the budget will be the same, means.
No,
No, one
the
more
fee structure would be different.
Mm-hmm.
So we will come back to you in hardly 2 to 3 weeks,
Yeah.
and we'll give you all the details, brochures, and everything.
Yeah.
Fine.
Now, actually, it is almost 1 o'clock, and it is quite a long time. So I
Yes.
think so better we close the session and we can answer the students if you have
I
any
think
queries.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Brushali Patil wants to have some question. So Rajesh sir, can you please unmute her?
Just a moment.
Hi everyone.
Hello, Brushali.
Hi Amita. Hello sir.
Yes. Yes.
I have actually texted Charudatta sir personally, but I guess he forgot to see the message. So my question was that I have completed my hospitality course in graduation. So what would you suggest, going for MBA or luxury management? Because as I'm much interested in the management side, what would be your suggestion on this?
Yeah, Vrushali, now since you have all our courses are management courses, now wine course also is not a technical course where we are not teaching you the analogy of wine and all those details. We are teaching how to do wine business. So all our courses, maybe luxury, international, or IT, are management programs. So if you are inclined towards management side, you can consider wine or luxury as the courses that might be have benefit you, because wine is very new industry for you, and you will have very less competition from Indian students. So and it requires a lot of information about the hospitality sector. So that will give you advantages. The hospitality knowledge will give you a lot of advantages for you to get jobs in wine. So wine and luxury, these two courses you can choose from.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody for the last questions, please? Otherwise, we'll have to end the session. It is taking a quite big, longer one. So I think so. Nobody. So still, there will be many other unanswered questions also on the Facebook and other things, Mr. Charu. We'll come back to you.
Yes.
And we'll try to
Good.
satisfy the students from our end also, and we'll come back to you also again.
My pleasure. I would be always available, and my team is always available. You can email us, WhatsApp us. We will. We will.
Lot of new things we learned today for France, which we didn't know about. I mean, we are all jumping on other things. Yes, it is really a good insight on France.
It is having a very good prospects, and there are really very good stay-back options also, and very good future prospects for the students who are choosing this as a career ahead. So I request all the participants to go through the details once again, and please take your decision if you are really genuinely serious about your study plans abroad. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Charudatta, special thanks to you for having given us all the details and taken
My
all
pleasure,
these
ma'am.
efforts.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. Rohit, especially, who has been really a great help, technically also, and in coordination, Ms. Ketki from Midrak side. So thank you, everybody. Thank you to my team and all the participants. See you all again. I think, Mr. Rajesh, you can please announce for our evening's webinar as well, which is also on hospitality. It is regarding Switzerland, and in Switzerland also, it is having many management programs. You can please announce it once, and we can say bye,
Yeah.
and please take care and please stay safe.
Yeah, we have got
Thank
one
you.
session. Yeah.
Thank you,
We have got. Yeah. Thank you, everybody. We have got one more webinar at 4 o'clock. BHMS Switzerland. The link and everything is shared on your messages in the chat box. You can please download it. Meanwhile, I'll end the session now. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Sorry for being late. It is 1 o'clock exact. Goodbye. See you
Thank
again
you
in
so
the
much.
evening.
Thank you,
Yeah.
everybody. Thank you very much. See you
Bye.
soon. Bye.
Thank you.